Good Thursday evening, everyone. I'm Kelsey Gerkins here in the First Alert Weather Center, and we're dealing with a lot here in our local area. One of the biggest impacts currently is that smoke. And as we take a look at the future smoke, we are going to be seeing that smoke become very dense throughout San Luis Obispo County here within the next couple of hours as we go to nightfall. And then we'll start to see dense smoke really move into Gaviota, San Ynez, and really the foothills and above for Santa Barbara. Thursday going into Friday. Once we get to Friday early morning, you could see how thick that smoke is along the central coast and Goleta, Santa Barbara. Your thickest conditions are really going to be coming tomorrow morning. I know you're seeing some smoke out there, but you're not really smelling it too much yet. That will change as we go to Friday, and that smoke continues to just thicken up and push to the south across the area. Now, as far as the heat, it is a little bit better, but it is still hot enough that excessive heat warning has now been extended for the mountains and the valleys of Ventura County. The Ojai area, you're going to be seeing triple-digit heat once again tomorrow. If you are in the San Ynez Valley, Cuyama Valley, or the mountains of Santa Barbara County and San Luis Obispo County, you're now under a heat advisory as highs are in the 90s. This is set to expire tomorrow at 10 p.m. So this did get extended a day. It's all brought on by this ridge of high pressure, the same ridge of high pressure we have been dealing with for a week and a half now. It has been quite a while. And this is why we have been so hot. It has really just been staying put. So going into Friday, we're still very warm to hot out there. Heading into Saturday, though, we start to get some interesting action. We are going to see the remnants of Genevieve really start to impact our local area, and that's going to be bringing that tropical moisture ashore. Here's a satellite image of what it currently looks like. You can see the hurricane once was a hurricane spinning out there, now just a tropical storm. And as it continues to push to the north, what we will see is a lot of that tropical moisture coming into our local area, and that combining with the heat creates quite a bit of convection. So there's a good chance that we could be seeing thunderstorms once again, especially in our inland area. So we'll start off Friday nice and clear, but going into Friday later afternoon, you'll start to see some of that mid and high cloud cover out there. Once we get into Saturday, there's a lot more of it. Saturday this weekend is going to be very similar to Saturday last weekend. Now, where those thunderstorms do develop is still up in the air, but there's a really good chance that we could see some of that thunderstorm activity, which would create brief heavy downpours, as well as the chance of dry lightning, which is a fire danger. And we also have a chance of seeing some flash flooding if this does materialize. Now, as we go into your highs for tomorrow, Santa Barbara cooling down to 87. I do want to point out Santa Barbara 3 days of hitting the record or beating it. 82 in Goleta for tomorrow, 83 in Carpinteria. Santa Maria, your high is going to bring you up to 80, 78 in Lompoc, 98 in San Ynez. San Luis Obispo, you'll go to 87, 98 in Paso, 65 in Morro Bay. That's the cool spot to be. 105 in Ojai, 87 for Oxnard. That is a look at your forecast. Everybody have a wonderful evening.